loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. This week we are doing an AliExpress nail haul video, just as I promised. If you watched my nail video on Thanksgiving Day, it was shambles, but we will get into that later. If this is your first time here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. If you have not done so already, give me a thumbs up. I need you to drop a comment. You know, share it with your family. Let's just make this go off. You know what I mean? If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back this week. If you have not hit the notification bell, giving me a thumbs up, said hello in the comment section. Let's also make that shake, guys. So as stated before, I'm going to finally show you guys all of the nail stuff I got, and I mean all of it. I got a few things as far as like gel polish, and then I also got some poly gel as well. I have not tried that yet. I have a trip coming up and I'm hoping to do the poly gel for the trip and seeing how long it lasts that way, because I don't feel like going to pay to get my nails done because I had to come back and go to work and then take them off anyway. So I figure if I can do it at home, throw some gel nail polish on top of it and live my best life, it'll be cute. Anyways, we're gonna just jump right in because this could be a rambler, but I don't want it to be. I love you. Thanks for your support. Okay guys, so as stated before, I'm going to show you all the nail accessories that I got. All of the nail polishes and the poly gel kit that I got are all from a brand called Born Pretty on AliExpress, and they have an extensive collection of like all things nails. Like you can literally get the UV light, you can get all of your nail polishes, you can get the poly gel kit, all of that stuff from that one vendor. I just got all of the nail polishes in the poly gel kit though. So the first thing the poly gel kit came with is this little tool right here. Super cool. It actually has the tool to push your cuticles back on one side. Super awesome. So that way that's one less thing you have to buy. And then on the opposite side, it has the brush that you use the acrylic solution with to actually, you know, apply the poly gel into the template, and then you press it onto your nails. So that's what came with that. Next is the Born Pretty Professional Nail Art Acrylic Gel Slip Solution. So these two are to work together. I can't really smell it. I would like to smell it for you guys, but I'm sick, so I can't smell anything. But this is just what it looks like right here. I wonder if it tells you how many ounces it is. Oh, it's 20 milliliters or 0.68 fluid ounces. So hopefully it lasts long. Hopefully I don't mess up my nails too often where I always have to like keep using it, and then that'll be a mess. This is the poly gel. I got this in the color 4. It's supposed to be like a neutral pinkish tone. I got this just in case I don't feel like actually painting the nails. Like if they come out really nice and I don't have to paint them, I'll just do like a top coat and do a little UV lighting with it. And I hope that'll be really cute. If they come out jacked up, I'm just going to paint over them with my white gel polish and go from there. As far as the nail polishes, like I said before, I got 5 actual solid colors. I have the glitter, and then I got a top and a base coat. So I'm going to show you guys what some of the colors look like. So this is the packaging. The nail polish bottle is actually smaller than I anticipated, but also it's under $3, so like you can't complain. At the same time, you have to remember, or at least I had to remember, this is gel and it should be lasting at least 2 to 3 weeks, so you shouldn't be using it extensively like you would with normal nail polish. So the bottle doesn't necessarily have to have that much in it. So this is just the top coat right here, and it always tells you, it has a little sticker at the bottom. This is the white nail polish. If you watch the previous video, you'll see that it has a lot of pigment to it. I was concerned since it was so inexpensive. I was like, wow, I wonder if I'm gonna have to put like several layers on, but 2 layers of this is gonna be perfect. This is the burgundy-ish red color. I thought this was gonna be like a burgundy purple, like dark burgundy for fall type of thing. I already know I will not like this red on me. I'm very picky about reds, just because right at the base of my finger it's a little bit darker, and then when I wear the wrong color it just brings it out more, so it looks really weird. And then this is like that fire red, which I'm excited about. I don't really wear red often, but this red is like basically the color I would wear if it was a matte lip. It's perfect. It reminds me of my juniper tree. She used to have her nails escalade growing up. Like I literally remember my mom being snatched at all times. Hair got done every 2 weeks, nails done. And it's like, how did you cook every day, braid our hair, go to work? Like she did it all with the claws and the beat. I'm obsessed. So the last 2 things I want to show you, I did not get from Born Pretty, but you can if you want to. I just ended up finding the exact same UV light like $2 or $3 cheaper, so I bought it from a different brand. I recommend though, if you're trying to get all of this at one time because you want to do your nails and get it over with, just order everything from one brand, because the nail polishes came and I had to wait like a week before the UV light came, so I couldn't do my nails, and I was just like hoping they wouldn't break, you know what I mean? So this is the UV light, super awesome. The only thing is This is the cord that comes with it, and this is how long it is. Like, do you see this? Oh, it's shrunken. This is it. So it has a USB ending, so you do need to provide your own like actual wall plug-in. Luckily, my laptop charger is like this cool new age like laptop charger, and I can plug in something to a USB port in the actual charger. So that's the only way I got away with like this length, because besides that, it's terrible. It's very short, and if you don't have an extension of some sort with a USB, you're going to struggle with drying your nails. But since I had that extension, it ended up working out fine. You can do 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds dry time. The last thing that I got from the same company was some nail stickers. These ones are so cute. They have little faces. I'll insert a picture because you're definitely not going to be able to see them from here. But they're kind of like very abstract Picasso type looking faces. So I'm hoping when I do my nails with the poly gel, I'll try these on for you guys, and I hope they look cute on my nails. Maybe I'll just do like one on the thumb and one on like the ring finger type of thing. But yeah, super exciting. All right guys, that is the end of the video. I just wanted to quickly show you all the stuff that I got. I'll be sure to link everything down in the description box for you, so that way if you're interested in any of the stuff, you can go ahead and purchase. I highly recommend all of this. Even though I jacked it up and I clearly need practice, the products themselves are awesome. It was great to just like be able to find gel nail polishes under $5, and then be able to find a UV light under 10, and then just be able to do my nails at home. Just a lot of fun, and I'm hoping to get better, like I said before. If you have any questions or any tips on how to do better as far as doing your own gel nail polishes at home, then please let me know down below, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.